Hi, how's it going? What's your name? Aaron? Who's this? Aaron and Kevin. Just the two of y'all? For right now. Where's the rest of y'all? Why you over there? You allergic to livestock?
Don't.
Hay fever or something? I can get rid of it. It'll go. It's all one piece. It'll just pop on up. It's not real. It's synthetic. I think it's like shredded manila folders or something. This ain't Disney. We ain't got the good stuff. Fired me already. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I love this job. Where y'all from? Misery. He loves company, Shrek. Sorry, we came to the swamp. I'm sorry, let's start over. Hi, I'm Donkey. And you're watching the Disney Channel. Did I get it?
Wrong
was that
part.
the ear? Was it?
That
no?
was it.
Let me try this one.
Wrong part.
Nope, I'll give up. Look how creative my man Jackman. Guy in my head. He was on was he on this shoulder? Is there somebody on my shoulder? I'm crazy. I'm sure you guys are too. Alright, so who's standing next to Shrek for the picture? Cool. Sir, I'm gonna need you to delete this footage. Jeez.
It's going all on YouTube.
Everything goes on YouTube. That's what they say. And then I go back and check, and actually nobody loves me because everybody's lazy. When they got home and then they didn't add it, it's on their phone forever. Nobody gets to see it. Could have had 12,000 views by now. Gone viral. So back to school Florida moms. Shout out to the girl Robin.